we have launched a health tech focused newsletter. The healthcare industry itself is a $4 trillion economy, and especially in the US. Some time ago, there was this huge news item about AI nurses. Now we are talking about AI doctors. Hello everyone, welcome to one more episode of Unlocking the AI Advantage, and this is your host Ramesh Danta. Today we are going to bring a special episode that is going to focus primarily on health tech. As you know, and probably have read a lot, AI is making significant impact in the healthcare industry. And the healthcare industry itself is a $4 trillion economy, and especially in the US. And there are a lot of inefficiencies are there in the industry across many spectrums. And AI is making a lot of enhancements and improvements and reducing these inefficiencies and actually accelerating lots of areas. So we're going to talk more about that. But first, let me talk about what are the primary areas that AI is actually making an impact as we speak, as opposed to showing promise for the future. So with that, let me actually start sharing some information. So there are 5 broad areas I would characterize where AI is making significant enhancements, improvements in healthcare. One is improving medical diagnosis. Speeding up drug discovery is a second one. Transforming patient experience. How patients sign in and the calendaring, scheduling, lots of other areas. Managing healthcare data, okay, and then how data is transferable across multiple entities, whether it's labs or electronic healthcare records and different disparate systems, how it's transferable. So all that healthcare data, how it's being managed. And the last one is performing robotic surgery, and this actually is happening so inside the operating theaters. And so you already have seen many areas worldwide. It's not just only the developed countries phenomenon. It's across the world robotic surgeries are being conducted. So these are the 5 broad areas. But today for this episode, I'm going to focus more on medical diagnosis. And the reason is that we have launched a health tech focused newsletter. Okay, so that's where I'm going to take you now. Okay, so first, this newsletter is called AI Health Tech Insider, and this is the URL that you see on your screen right now, aihealthtechinsider.beehive.com, and that's where we have launched the newsletter. It's about 7 newsletters that we are into. So I'll take you inside each one of them, especially the 3 of the past the newsletters that we have distributed. And then I'll go through some significant news that we've shared in those newsletters. So let me go to the most recent one. So this is the one that came out, and it actually focused a little bit on wearables AI, but wearables is some other time I will focus a lot more on wearables at that point of time. So within this particular issue, so we started with AI-enabled ECG, precision heart health predictions post-PCI. So essentially, this is, it predicts dysfunction with high accuracy and utilizes AI to analyze ECG changes post-PCI. And so this is PCI is a percutaneous coronary intervention. I'm sorry, some of this terminology is very technical, but just stay with me for the time being. So this particular one talks about how the prediction is better with the AI. Okay, and it also acts as a digital biomarker for heart health. So what are the implications? What does that mean? So this AI tool can revolutionize cardiac care by providing precise early predictions of heart complications, enabling timely interventions and improving patient outcomes. I mean, that is beautiful, right? So if you can predict before and then take better care of your heart, that's great. And then the second one that we also included in this particular issue is PET CT imaging, how AI is revolutionizing. So this one is it demonstrated AI-enabled techniques for direct attenuation and scatter correction. That's again in the medical terminology, ASC, and so how AI is helping. So, but let's focus more on what are the features and what are the benefits. It utilizes 3D CGAN framework, which of course is a very specific AI framework, and reduces radiation risks by eliminating CT use. And it enhances image quality and accuracy. So what are the implications? This AI-based method promises safer and more efficient PET imaging benefiting patients needing frequent scans or those sensitive to radiation. It doesn't eliminate, but it reduces the radiation that a patient is exposed to with this kind of a tool. The last one in this particular issue that I'm going to highlight is AI powered diabetes care. So this is diabetes worldwide is increasing. And what are the key features of this particular one? Right, combines AI driven language models, very specific large language model only for diabetes, and it's comparable to PCPs in English and superior in Chinese for diabetes management. This is the primary care physicians, and it improves detection accuracy from 81% to 92% when assisting PCPs. So, right, so again, the human augmented version of AI, where a primary care physician working with this tool can increase their accuracy from 81% to 92%. That is pretty significant. So, and then it also helps patient adherence to diabetes management and then referrals. So that's what is in this issue. And let me go into the previous issue. That's issue number 6. And this one focuses on, again, healthcare with AI, right? So there's lots of enhancement that are happening. And then the lead news item is Alzheimer's disease and prediction using AI and 82% accuracy. Okay, a new AI tool developed by Cambridge scientists can predict Alzheimer's progression with 82% accuracy. So then, utilizing non-invasive, low-cost data, it's actually so data that's already there. It analyzes it, and then without having to go through the invasive procedures with the patients, it's a non-invasive with the data analysis. The AI tool can predict 82% accuracy Alzheimer's. And it also helps patients who have the disease progression speed, right? So it also helps them with how fast, how slow the disease is spreading, so they can take appropriate precautions or care for that particular patient. And then the other one is a cancer detection, right? This is all the different ways AI is helping with disease detection, whether it's Alzheimer's, whether it's a cancer, whether it's a heart issues, right? So this particular one is from a New York University, and let's quickly look at the key points. It detects early single-strand DNA changes, utilizes advanced DNA sequencing technology, and profiles genetic changes in 134 tissue samples, right? This is about the cancer diagnosis. It's not just in the research space. FDA has recently approved AI tool for arrhythmia detection, right? So this is an actual approval that has come from FDA that actually tells you how fast AI is being implemented. So this particular tool is called Deep Rhythm. It's a platform. The features are cloud-based platform using DRA algorithm specific to that, and it analyzes ECG data to identify signs of arrhythmias like atrial fibrillation, and it's FDA approved, as I mentioned. So that's what it is in this one. And the lead item of this particular issue was the 4D heart scans in seconds. Okay, so this came from University of East Anglia, an AI model that generates 4-chamber cardiac MRI images in seconds, right? It's published in European Radiology Experiential Manual. So this actually, let's go through the scoop. It takes seconds, right? Versus 45 plus minutes for traditional methods that's taking this particular tool. It provides accurate assessment of heart chamber size and function, minimized bias through specific training techniques. Of course, the training data is crucial for them to come up with this particular tool, and a faster diagnosis means it could lead to improved patient care. So think about it, right? So it takes seconds versus 45 plus minutes. So in this scheme, it's not days, but it's 45 minutes to seconds. It saves cost as well as a result. It uses deep learning algorithms for time resolved segmentation of CMR images. So that's how this 4D scan is come into picture. Now let me go into the last one, which is the issue number 5. And this one talks about AI and thermal imaging, how it's revolutionizing heart disease detection. Okay, so and then what are the features here? It's non-invasive again. So if you could see a common theme among all these tools and all the techniques that are there, are they non-invasive? So that means you don't have to go into the patient, and then that is both a cost and time and pain savings for the patients. And then it machine learning enhances diagnostic accuracy, and of course the training data is crucial. But definitely we have seen where for one particular tool it's gone from 81% to 92%. So that the accuracy going up is another common theme. And predictive indicators, key thermal indicators include facial temperature differences, right? So it outperforms traditional risk assessment by 13%, right? So it's a even 1%, 2% is pretty significant, but here we're talking about double digit improvements. The next one is AI innovations in healthcare, predicting pneumonia and Parkinson's disease. As you know, these neurological diseases like Parkinson's disease, so they are actually devastating to the patients and, of course, the caretakers. So AI is definitely helping this prediction. So what are the features of this one? This particular study involved 489 patients, and after excluding 319 without available PSI scores, so that for a better prediction accuracy. And so the model has been developed using the combination of so many of this training data. And see, this is about the pneumonia. Okay, so AI chest X-rays combined with traditional scores improve prediction of pneumonia outcomes. Okay, so that's what we're talking about, pneumonia. So now let's get into Parkinson's disease, right? So this is again a blood test, how it's detecting Parkinson's disease years before symptoms. And the mechanism here is that AI is analyzing blood samples for key markers associated with inflammation and protein degradation, identifying those likely to develop Parkinson's disease. Okay, this is again using the blood samples. And the test accurately identified 79% of patients who eventually developed Parkinson's using the test data. Right, so again, this helps with the early prediction. And then the future applications of this particular research is that they aim to develop a simple finger prick test for widespread screening purposes. If we have a better training data, you could use the training data to predict, right? So this particular training data that they've been using, and then they've been back testing, and for people who have actually developed Parkinson's disease, and then they're feeding into the model. That's what this particular thing is. And now, so let me go into one other issue here. In this issue, it talks about AI doctors. Okay, so some time ago, there was this huge news item about AI nurses. Now we are talking about AI doctors. Okay, getting a diagnosis in 90 seconds. So that is the Eureka is the name of the world's first AI doctor. It's making waves. Okay, and it's 90 times faster than traditional US healthcare. Insurance covered, works like a regular provider. That is actually a huge breakthrough. That's insurance covered in some cases. Board certified physicians review the recommendations. Again, it is one of those human augmented AI, right? It is not AI operating by itself, and focuses on endocrine conditions like thyroid and diabetes. So it's a very specific to some of those diseases. And so the interesting thing is the patient satisfaction. 9 out of 10 users prefer Eureka Scare. So at this point of time, we don't know where it will lead, but this is out there. And then the second one is a self-service clinics with AI power, right? So where while you're waiting for the doctor or whatever that is, you could have a self-serve clinic. You could have it in a mall. So these are out there. Automated health monitoring, AI-driven disease detection, biometric scans, and blood testing that are happening in this, self-serve clinics. And so personalized health apps, diagnostic tools, and care plans for various conditions, and of course 24/7 access. So we'll have to see where all these things will take us forward into the future, but these are out there. Those are all some of the ways that AI is helping with with the disease detection here, and actually accelerating, making it faster, cheaper, and actually making these kinds of tools available to patients 24/7. So that's what this newsletter is. It focuses on AI tools and technologies for healthcare. Again, it is AI Health Tech Insider. The link to subscribe to this in your description, as well as what you'll see here on the screen. And if you have any questions, please let us know. If you have any particular areas that you would like us to cover, please do let us know. And so until the next time, I will see you And this is Ramesh Danta signing off.